Hello friends, welcome to SahuStudies. In this video, we are going to see how ranking function works in PySpark. So we'll going to see couple of rank function, but let's talk about something why we are using ranking function. To use rank function, first partition the data with the help of a Windows.partition_by function, and then order by on partition data with the help of a order by clause. So these two things we should do each and every time whenever we are going to apply any rank function. So what is the first thing? We need to use this partition by function and then order by function. This row number is used given sequence number to the result of each window partition. So suppose we are doing the window partition, and if you want to put the number from 1 to whatever the number it would be for each and every single window partition. So we use this rank row number function. This rank function is used to provide a rank of a result for each window. It is very important to understand for each window partition, not for the whole data set. It generally leaves the gaps whenever ties occur. So what is tie occurs, I will going to explain in detail whenever we are going to do this exercise over Databricks. This dense rank function is the same thing. It is also provide a rank to the result set for each window partition, but it does not leaves any gap whenever tie occurs. So I will going to show you how this row function works, how this rank function works, and how this dense function works, and how we are going to use this partition by clause and the order by clause in the ranking functions. So in this exercise, what I am going to do, I am going to create one notebook. In that notebook, what I am going to do, I am just importing all the required libraries. I am creating a list variable. In this list variable, I am storing the address of 2 CSV file. I am creating a custom schema over here. How we are going to create the custom schema? I am creating the custom schema with the help of a struct type and a struct field. With the help of a struct field, I am defining the column name and its data types. Here I am defining 6 column names and its data types, which later we are going to use to read the CSV file with the help of this custom schema. Here with the help of spark.read.csv, we are reading the CSV file which is present in this list variable, and with the help of this custom schema which we have defined here. Once this data frame gets created, what we are doing, we are calling this Windows partition by function. So on which column we are doing partition by? We are doing partition by based on the state, and we are order by based on the AP salary. So what it will going to do, it will going to create a window partition based on the state, and on top of on the group which is going to create, or the partition which is going to create based on the state. So what is the salary order of that particular state? For instance, suppose there are 3 records in Bihar. So what it will going to do, it will partition by state Bihar. One partition would be there, and in that partition, what is the order of the salary? Here the order of the salary, we are not defining it is ascending order or the descending order. So by default it will going to pick ascending order. Now when this window partition getting created, so what we are going to do, we are just creating a new column with the help of this column function. Here the AP row number. AP row number, we are doing the AP row number calling function over this AP function, AP Windows partition. So what it will going to do, for each partition it will provide one row number. I will show you how it works in Databricks. Here we are just creating a row number again, but here we are just doing the ranking of the AP salary which is present in this, we can say, partition. And here we are doing the rank function. This is a typo. It should be rank. Here it is. I have typed rank, but this is only one rank function. This is a typo. Okay, we will correct it whenever we are going to do this exercise over Databricks. To save time, what I'm going to do, till creation of the data frame by reading a CSV file, I will going to copy the code from one of my previous example, because this we have done multiple times. It will also going to save time, and I will show you how this window partition works and how this row number, rank, and then function works in Databricks. So let's go to the Databricks. Let's create one notebook. Name it as ranking function. Connect this notebook with our currently running cluster. It has been connected. I am going to copy the code till we are creating a data frame by reading a CSV file. So let's run it one by one. All the libraries is present in this packages are available in this notebook. Let's create the custom schema. Custom schema has been defined successfully. Let's define this list variable. This list variable has been defined successfully. It has two CSV files. Let's read the CSV file and create the schema. We are reading the CSV file with the help of a spark.read.csv function. Let's display the content of this data frame. See, this is the content of this data frame. So let's create a let's create a window function. Let's implement the window function. So for the implementation of the window function, first we need to import PySpark dot SQL dot window, and we are importing what we are importing. We are importing window function. Window. Let's run it. Now let's create a window partition. How we are going to create the window partition? AP the window. So on top of the window, we are calling this partition by. We are doing partition by on which column? We are doing with on AP state. We are doing partition by the AP state, and we are ordering it by AP. Ordering it by AP salary. This window partition has been created successfully. Let's see how we are going to implement this window partition in row number, rank function, and dense rank function. So let's implement the row function first. Row number function. I'm creating a new column, AP row number, and how the data is going to populate. Data will going to populate based on the row number with the help of the row number function over the partition, the window partition which we have created, AP window, and we are showing the result state with the help of a show function. Let's see. We can see here how it is partitioned. It is partitioned with the help of AP state. Okay, so we can see the row number is 1 and 2, means this partition has 2 records. Let's see in the Karnataka also row number is 1 and 2. That means this partition has how many rows? 2 only. Let's see this UP state. UP state has 1, 2, 3, 4. That means this partition has 4 records. That's why, because we are making a number of each and every record of a particular partition. That's why the row number here is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Let's see how rank function is going to work. This is the data frame on which we are going to use this rank function. First, let's create a column with column AP underscore rank. How it will going to populate? It will going to populate with the help of a rank function. The rank function will how it will going to calculate the rank over this window partition which we have just created. AP window. And let's show the result set. Let's see. We can see we have partition by AP state and we are ordering by AP salary. And what we are just doing here, we are just asking what is the rank of the salary of partition which has value Haryana. So the value is 2 lakhs and 2 lakhs. That's why it is giving the first rank. First rank because both the salary is the same. That's why it's giving the same row number. Means same rank, we can say. You can understand it better in the UP state. In the UP state, there are 4 records. So the rank function is going to apply based on this AP salary. So this is 1 and 2. This is rank 1 and 1. So it will going to skip the second one because it should, if it here suppose it should be if it is 9,000. So how it will rank? Then first this is ranked first. This one 9,000 it would be 2. But since it has the same number of records, so what it same value in this particular AP salary. That's why it's ranking 1. So there is a 2 records, but rank is 1. And then this is the 7,000. Then the rank is 3 and 3. So what it 2 it is skipping. So in the rank in a rank function, whenever the values are tied, then it will skip the rank. That's why it's showing 3 and 3. So we have seen how this rank function works in Databricks if we are going to do with the help of a Windows partition. Let's see how dense rank function is going to work. Dot with column, I am going to create one more column AP underscore dense rank. How it will going to populate? It will populate with the help of a dense rank function over the window partition which we have just created. And just see the result with the help of a show function. We can see here this. It is Windows partition with the help of AP state. This Haryana state has 2 records. The value of AP salary is the same. That's why it is giving 1 and 2. Okay, 1 and 1. The rank is same. Dense rank is same. Now see, let's talk about UP. UP has 4 records. Okay, so this is the same record. So what it is doing? 1 and 1. And after that we have a 2 records. then what is the rank value it is giving? 2 and 2. So here in the dense rank, when the values are tied, it will not going to skip the ranking. Here we can see above, with the help of a rank, the value is getting skipped. This is 1 and 1 and this is 3 and 3. So 2 is not present because rank is skipping the value whenever there is a tie between the values of a particular columns record in a particular window partition. Here we can see this is 1 and 1, rank is same. It is not skipping, it is not saying that it is 3, it is saying that this is the second rank. So dense rank do not skip the rank. So here we have I have shown you how we can do window partition, how we can use row number, rank and dense function along with the window partition. Let's go to the PPT. Thank you. If you like content of my video, then please subscribe my channel, like it, comment on it and press the bell icon to get notification whenever I add videos.